how to change your birthday on Snapchat after you've hit the limit. Now, Snapchat only gives you a few attempts at changing your details like birth dates. So, you need to do something extra to make sure to change the birthday after the limit's been reached. So, to do that, first open up your Snapchat, and after you open your Snapchat, go to the profile section on the top left and go to the settings. Now, after you've gone to the settings, what you need to do is you need to scroll down till you find My Help right under support. Now, after you've gone there, what you need to do is wait for the page to load up and then scroll down till you find the Contact Us button. Now, after you've hit Contact Us, it will give you several options to which you need to submit a request for. So here you can see different options that says if your account's been compromised, or you can't access your account, or you've lost your snap streak. But the one we want to select is I need help with a Snapchat feature. So after you've done that, scroll down and you can see here what feature is this related to. So you need to choose profiles and communities. Now, after you've done that, after you've clicked on profiles and communities, what you need to do is you need to scroll down again and click on My Profile. That is, you need the help for your profile. So after you do that, what you need to do is you can just go through this page and go down and click on Still Need Help, yes. After you do that, it will ask you your username. Type in your username, type in your email that your Snapchat is associated with, and then type your problem, that is, describe your problem. That is, I need to change my birthday, but I am unable to do so. And you can type in a bit longer message that properly explains the problem. So after you've done that, you will be able to submit this request, and then a ticket will be created. That is, you will be informed after the problem's been solved. After this, Snapchat will reach out to you about the problem, and you can change your birthday after that. Thank you for watching. That is all for the video, guys. I hope this helped you. So stay tuned for more upcoming videos. Bye bye.